Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Grace on Tour and I love to showcase the beautiful world that we live in. In this video I will be staying at a luxury all-inclusive resort here in the Dominican Republic, and of course I'm going to bring you along. We have 24 hours to see all of what this resort has to offer. But before we head out there, remember to like this video and subscribe. There are new travel videos every week and I really appreciate your support. But for now, let's head out there. Also, I just want to clarify a few things before we begin. I am definitely not a resort person. This is the first time that I am staying at this kind of place, a resort or any kind of all-inclusive. And also, I'm staying here for 24 hours. At the moment, due to the current situation in the world, these kind of hotels at the moment have special offers. So I got this deal for 50% off the normal price. So, you know, it was kind of too good of a deal not to test out. So just kind of note that I just wanted to see what it's like, if it's worth the money, what you can do, what's included, and bring you along as well for the journey. So just wanted to make that clear. We have now made it down to the kind of main event or the center point of the hotel, which is the big pool. It's really beautiful, and here you can also find like small or big cabana, sun loungers and like sun beds. It's boiling warm, so I think it is perfect to try out the pool.
Cansé de tus excusas, también sé existe alguien más.
Okay, this pool is really nice. Yeah, and you are, you know, just by the sea. But then you have a beach kind of cafe with drinks and snacks over there, and then you have these kind of beds where you can also lie, where it's a bit more shower. Room tour. So we have a double bed, TV, we have coffee, water, coffee machine, a little chair. We have this beautiful balcony, as you can see here. You have free room service, almost 24/7. Let's see what we have here. An umbrella, a robe, you can hang in your laundry, an ironing board with an iron, and here we have the bathroom. We're now down at the beach, and here we have a private stretch of beach, and it's really nice, very long, so you can walk all the way from over there all the way to back there. So yeah, you have lots of beach to explore, and as you can see, it's, you know, lovely sand, no seaweed, and crystal clear blue water with just, you know, the perfect amount of waves. Truly beautiful. And you can also do lots of water sports. You can get a kayak, sailing boat, surfboard, stand-up paddleboard. But now I'm going to go in the ocean and test the sea. It feels amazing.
Solo es una historia más. Diría lo mismo si digo que te amo. Sinceramente ahora ya ni sé. Cuando tu parte al menos una vez. Diría lo mismo si digo que te amo. A veces no lo quiero ni saber.
So it is now dinner time, so we're going to head to one of the restaurants for dinner, and I believe it is a buffet, so we'll see what vegan food we can find to just let you know you get this kind of blue band to show that you're staying at this place. I've tried to dress up a bit, but I'm not so glamorous because I have huge blisters on my feet, so I'm wearing socks in my sandals. The sun is currently setting and I had to just go down to the beach before dinner and look, because yeah, it seems like it's clearing up and that it will be a beautiful sunset. So yeah, I'm going to watch the sunset first and then head to dinner. This is my first sunset here in the Dominican Republic, and it is truly, truly beautiful.
I said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find.
We have made it to dinner, and as I said, it's a buffet, so there was actually lots of vegan options, which is great. We have some bread, rice, ratatouille, and loads of different kinds of salads, fried sweet potato, and then there's lots of fruit for dessert. So let's dig into some food. Good morning, it is 6 a.m. and we are heading out on a morning walk on the beach, so let's go. This is why you should always be chasing sunsets and sunrises. This is truly, truly amazing. I have this whole beautiful beach all to myself and this amazing sunrise. So amazing. Yeah, this is a really, pinch me moment. But yeah, I feel very grateful to be here and to witness this. Just a little tip for you if you want to know the times for sunrises and sunsets at each place you go to. Just click on your weather app and you will see what time the sun rises and the sun sets in the location that you're at. Also, it's quite fun walking along this beach because it's just filled with private villas, so it's nice to see how they look and everything. That morning walk really worked up my appetite, so now it is time for breakfast. And there weren't lots of vegan options, but I did get loads of fresh fruit, some oatmeal, and I just put boiling water in it, and then a fresh mixed juice, and then also ask for some coffee. But yeah, I think this is a good breakfast to start the day with. So we've now had our breakfast and let it sunk in. We're now at the gym. Of course, we have to test out all of the amenities. So yeah, we're going to do a little training session here at the gym. And as you can see, I'm the only person here, which is great. So yeah, let's do a workout. Now I just need to run quickly to the room and reapply my sunscreen, and then we're actually heading to a yoga class, which is going to be held in the garden. So as I mentioned to you, I was just quickly going to the room to top up my sunscreen before the yoga, but I don't think that will be happening. If you cannot see, it is a torrential monsoon outside, and the yoga is supposed to be right there outside, so I don't think that will be happening. Okay, so it is lunchtime, and yeah, today we have some different kinds of rice with some kind of green pea stew and some other vegetables and fruit. So yeah, let's get into lunch. And as you can see as well, they have kind of the same staples for every meal, but it mixes up all the time, so yeah, it's always something new. the weather finally cleared up and we were able to make it out here on the kayaks. I'm seeing a kind of rainstorm coming in, or a thunderstorm coming in again, so I won't be out so long, but it's really nice to be out on the water. And I think that this is the perfect way to end this resort video. I've had really fun checking this place out for 24 hours and I hope that you have enjoyed following along my adventures here. And tomorrow we're heading to Puerto Plata and we will be traveling with local bus. So be a bit more rough travel from now on. But yeah, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Okay, as you can see, the storm is coming in very quickly, so yeah, I have to hurry back to the beach to avoid any danger. So